So I have a new listing coming up in the Brookville School District. Let's go take some photos. Check it out, built-in bookcases and a gas log fireplace. The next homeowners are really gonna appreciate the brand new Samsung fridge and the dining room right off of the kitchen. The master suite not only comes with a private bathroom with double vanities, also a walk-in closet with a laundry chute. All 4 bedrooms are on the same level, which makes it easy for parents to keep track of their kids. Oh yeah, a large family room in the basement and another gas logs. Not only is it at the end of a cul-de-sac, but also has a huge yard in the back to do whatever you want with. It also has 2 storage sheds. Well, I'm done shooting pictures for now, but if you give me a call, I'll give you a private tour of the property. Look forward to seeing you soon.